Goose-Grip Swivel-Stick with remote mounted battery housing on the job. This is a Dewalt 12-volt battery that slides onto a plastic housing with 4 magnetic feet. This is a 97 C1500. Just going to mount it on the frame right there. And this is a 12-inch long LED stick with a very special swivel right there. And of course I have to work on the bottom of the harmonic balancer, so I'm gonna articulate the swivel and put it right on top of the pitman arm right there. And of course the thing is able to turn sideways, and then while it's sideways you can articulate the light any way you want. Here's the turn on switch right there. There's your light. So there's my crank sensor, and here's my light. Can go anywhere, any angle I want. This is available on Goose-Grip.com. It's going to be a price increase soon. Right now this is $149.99. It has a lifetime warranty. It does not come with the battery. It's expected that you're already on a Dewalt 12-volt platform, but it does come in Milwaukee M12 and Snap-on 14.4. Snap-on 14.4 is $15 more, but it's a fabulous light. It has articulation that's unheard of. It's 1300 lumens, 6061 aluminum right here, 303 stainless steel. The battery housing is a 3D printed battery housing. I can take this light and pivot it down without ever changing the mounting point right there. It swivels like a ballerina or like an airplane propeller. If you take this down and you mounted it here, you could simply mount it any way you want and put it at any angle or any pitch you want. Look for it. Goose-Grip.com. I'm out.